Here are 50 pairs of questions and answers about daily activities for beginners in English. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you brush your teeth in the morning? Yes, I brush my teeth every morning. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat cereal and milk for breakfast. Do you drink coffee in the morning? No, I drink tea instead. What time do you leave for work? I leave for work at 8 a.m. How do you go to work? I take the bus to work. Do you work from home? Yes, I work from home on Fridays. What do you do at work? I work on the computer. What time do you have lunch? I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. What do you eat for lunch? I usually eat a sandwich for lunch. Do you take a break during work? Yes, I take a short break in the afternoon. What time do you finish work? I finish work at 5 p.m. What do you do after work? I go to the gym after work. Do you exercise every day? Yes, I exercise every evening. What time do you get home? I get home around 6:30 p.m. Do you cook dinner at home? Yes, I cook dinner every night. What do you usually cook for dinner? I usually cook pasta or rice. Do you eat dinner with your family? Yes, I eat dinner with my family. What do you do after dinner? I watch TV after dinner. Do you watch TV every night? Yes, I watch TV for about an hour. What is your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Friends. Do you read books before bed? Yes, I read a book before I sleep. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Do you sleep well at night? Yes, I usually sleep very well. Do you set an alarm for the morning? Yes, I set an alarm for 7 a.m. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I always eat breakfast. What time do you start work? I start work at 9 a.m. Do you take public transport to work? Yes, I take the train. Do you have lunch at home? No, I have lunch at work. What do you do during your lunch break? I go for a walk during my lunch break. Do you work with other people? Yes, I work in a team. Do you have meetings at work? Yes, I have meetings every day. What time do you finish your work? I finish work at 5 p.m. Do you go shopping after work? Sometimes I go shopping after work. What do you do in the evening? I relax and watch TV in the evening. Do you have dinner with your family? Yes, we all have dinner together. Do you clean up after dinner? Yes, I clean the kitchen after dinner. Do you play games in the evening? Yes, I play video games sometimes. What time do you prepare for bed? I prepare for bed at 10 p.m. Do you listen to music before bed? Yes, I listen to calm music before bed. Do you check your phone before sleeping? Yes, I check my phone before sleeping. What time do you fall asleep? I usually fall asleep by 11 p.m. Do you have breakfast at home? Yes, I have breakfast at home every morning. Do you go to work by car? No, I don't have a car. I walk to work. What time do you arrive at work? I arrive at work by 9 a.m. Do you drink coffee at work? Yes, I drink coffee in the morning. Do you work on the weekends? No, I don't work on weekends. What do you do on weekends? I relax and spend time with my family. Do you go to bed late on weekends? Yes, I go to bed later on weekends. Do you enjoy your daily routine? Yes, I enjoy my daily routine.